Welcome. We are now preparing for UPSC Civil Services examination as well as MPSC Civil Services examination through 1 month test series program. So actually some preparing word we are using is somewhat wrong word. I must say it is revised. So already you have prepared and you are going to revise. Then it is alright that within 1 month we can revise entire thing. So basic idea is that on this channel you are observing this video. Just search out for 1 month test series timetable on this channel. You will get entire timetable. Accordingly you have to prepare. So in timetable, whatever the video exams are there, that you have to prepare. Say for example, history, prehistoric period, history, ancient period. So like that topics are given. Prepare for that topic. Entire day you can prepare. How to prepare? First, on our channel, we are having all these video lectures. Many video lectures are available. So go through that video lectures first. They are helpful. I am not saying whatever exams are there, they are based on that only. But they are helpful to understand and to revise. So within 2 to 3 hours, we can revise that topic at the most. Then you must have prepared your own notes. So like that you can go through that your own notes. And lastly, if time permits, then go through books. Prepare yourself and then appear for exam. Exam will be of 20 to 30 questions depending. Now these questions are in form of slides. On single slide, there will be 3 to 5 questions depending upon the font size. Because sometimes questions are bulky, so it can be only 3 questions. Sometimes we can accommodate 5th question also, so depending. So when slide changes, just make pause. Solve that all 5 questions. There is no hurry. Keep in mind that if 30 questions are there, you will get intimation first only that how many questions are there. So like that you can set your time. Ideally, we say that 1 minute is sufficient time to solve single question. But sometimes you can solve within 30 or 15 seconds also. And sometimes it may take 1 minute and 20 seconds, 30 seconds. If you are having dilemma, you have to think, we have to apply certain techniques. And then it can take even more than 1 minute. So on an average, we have to keep in mind 1 minute time should be there. So if 30 questions are there, you have to plan or you have to have timer like 30 seconds, 30 minute timer. And within 30 minutes, you have to solve that entire paper. If 20 minute timing is there, then within 20 minutes, you can solve this paper. So we are giving sufficient time. Say our single slide will be persisted there for 20 seconds. So like that, 20 seconds already questions are there, but in 20 seconds you can't solve 3 or 5 questions. So we are giving sufficient time, that is 20 seconds, but ultimately you have to pause according to your requirement and solve the paper. Now this way, when you are going to solve last slide, on last slide you will get some link. On top of your corner, some link will appear. Click that link to get answer key. I am revising, click that link to get answer key. Answer key will be given from our some different channel. But you need not worry, you have to just click that link, you will go directly to that video. And now observe that answers. How to solve the paper? There should be notebook. Don't take piece of paper or railway ticket or something like that and write down answers. No, make notebook, proper record, date wise. Then there is question code in timetable. So make that paper code. So make that paper code, date, and now solve. So and it is at your own honest report. So whatever the questions you are able to solve, that record is there with you. You can verify it afterwards also. So keep it, just check. Answer key is given. You can verify that answers and you can get your score. That is first part. But only this type of answers getting is not important. The analysis of that paper is important. So that we are going to show you on next day. So suppose on 2nd March, paper X is there. That paper X we are going to discuss on next day. So like that we are going to start here a test series, that is 1 month preparation, I hope that you are there with us, and at end of this test series there will be two prelims. Same pattern, we are going to conduct these two prelims, and with your response, if response is very good, then we are planning to conduct third prelim also. So it depends on how you are responding out, how the responses are there, accordingly we are going to discuss. So I hope this test series will be really beneficial for you, and don't miss to get analysis also. Otherwise, many times what happens that students are interested only in answers. But why these answer is there may be possible, but because this is all objective, it may happen that what logic student is applying to get answer and what logic is actually there may differ. And so it is requested that after observing this answer key, it is just for getting satisfaction that where you are exactly. On next day, observe this analysis video also. That will be helpful to develop your own analytical mind, and that will be helpful in your actual exam. So all the best for this exam test series. Thanks.